In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the total free space of our Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to click this Apple icon and it will be open this menu. From here, we have to choose System Settings. I'm going to click over there and very shortly System Settings window will be open. From the left sidebar, we have to choose General, and right side we'll find different options are there. One of the option is storage. We just need to click here to access there, and here you will see your hard disk total space graphically. There is some color coding like thing, but each of color means each type of thing it is using. So at first you will see some empty space like this, which means it is a free space. If you move your cursor, you will see that this space is available, and next to your hard disk you will see online is there, which means how much space is used and what is the total hard disk space. So this is the total hard disk space, and this much space I'm using right now. And if we scroll a little bit, we'll find it will show us that what type of thing is consuming how much space. Like applications, it is consuming this much. Documents, it is consuming this much. In this way, it is categorized. From this storage section, sometimes you will see that the system data is consuming too much space. So if you have those type of issue, you can easily fix those type of thing most of the time. In my channel, I have one video. You can check that video to clean the system data, and it will definitely be very helpful for us to clean some extra space. And that's it. Hopefully by watching this video, you will be understand how much free space is available on our Mac, or how to calculate or check which application or which document is taking how much space.